Hello and welcome to ChazRootNotes. I'm Chaz from Electric Cow Works. It's nice to have you here. Today we are doing an unboxing of the newest model from Eve Audio in Berlin, Germany. It is the SC4070. So joining me today is my studio partner and Terran Matrimonial unit, JJ, who's just off camera at the moment. She will be doing the actual unboxing. Why don't we jump in and take a look?
So I am the partner and Terran Matrimonial unit, I think is what you called it.
Yeah.
And I am here to unbox this Eve Audio SC4070. So, I gotta get the knife and open it to cut the tape. Here we go. Trying to be very gentle. This is a really nice speaker. Oh, not quite getting it there. All right, I got it started, so here we go. Opening it up, I'm gonna put that knife right back here where it's safe. And get this open. Wow, this is double boxed. Out. Has a nice Eve Audio manual, SC4070. Isn't that cool? Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Here's the cord. And it is packed in some pretty heavy-duty styrofoam here, which is going to be slowly lifted off. I have slowly lifted off the styrofoam on the top.
I shall take it from you.
For you to take. And it looks at this point like we have the speaker, and it's encased in some really nice fabric, like a fabric cover to protect it. Should I lift it out? So let's get this speaker out of the box. This might get a little tricky because there's a nice packing foam underneath. Okay. So let me put this on its side, or I don't know, do you call that the side or the bottom?
I'm not sure which is which yet because it's still covered.
Okay, well,
So
here's the bottom of the cover. It's like a pillowcase here. So I'm going to turn it up like this, and you can do the honors of removing the pillowcase, the speaker case, the pillowcase from the speaker.
Ooh, ah.
Oh, voila.
Wow.
I get to see the back.
But we get to spin it around too.
Ooh. Would you like me to spin it around now? Good.
Why don't you set it horizontally, this side down?
I'll set it horizontally down, and
There we go.
wow, this is pretty cool. I get to see the front. I get to see the back. Would you like to see the back?
Okay, so here's the SC4070. There's the two mid-range, low-end drivers, mid-range, then the ribbon tweeter, and the famous Eve DSP single control knob, everything you can operate from the front here. And then if we spin it around, okay, so on the back, we have the power button, the IEC connector, the voltage control for North America or the rest of the world. And then we have an XLR connector, so that's your audio in, and an RCA connector. There are some dip switches here which can be used. You can lock your DSP in place after you set those controls back here with the dip switches. There's a heat sink in back. The back is pretty minimal because all the controls are up front, so this is very, very nice. So as you can see, the SC4070 comes default out of the box in a horizontal orientation. These four bolts can be loosened and the center plate can be rotated, so then you can use it in vertical applications, which is what we might do here. So we're going to do some rearranging back on the meter bridge area, and we're probably going to put it in a vertical orientation for this room. When we move into our new control room, we'll probably go back to a horizontal orientation. So we'd like to thank Alto Music for getting these to us. And also we'd like to congratulate Eve Audio on 10 years of audio excellence. So congratulations to Roland Stenz, the founder, and the entire Eve Audio team. Very nice work. We are super excited to get these installed. So stay tuned because we will do a video after we dial in the DSP and let you know what we think. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you for the next video. And in the meantime, we encourage you to explore, discover, and create, and stay productive on your artistic journey. And as always, this is Chaz from Electric Owl Works. Peace, love, and Ringo. Be good to each other. We're out of here. Bye.
Bye.